we're just having a bit of a spearfish and a bit of a dive. And you guys can see the conditions are awesome. We finally have an opportunity to get out where it's not like 2 meter swells. So took it, we're out here. Sam and some of the boys are in over there having a spear. I've already got a couple of trout. And the new Honda 150 is absolutely slaying. So happy. We've used like not even 20 litres of fuel out here. So it's been sick. Couldn't ask for like better weather.
That I made by myself, oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost 1,000,000 times already. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy. I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive. I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself, oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost 1,000,000 times already. I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy. I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
I got one. I did my.
I got 3.
It's gotta be 7.
Yeah, there is 7.
Yeah,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 8.
Very nice.
Nice.
Oh, we got some more bait.
Yep.
Oh, we didn't get that.
Oh, too bad.
Up, on again. Oh, dropped. Up, yep. Yep, double.
Double! Get him in, boys! Double hook up. Don't play with him, Fabian. Don't play with him, Jay.
It's not that big.
Is my GoPro on?
Yeah, bro, yeah.
Yep, cool. What are they?
Look at Pinky.
Oh yeah.
Here, wait up. Oh, no, that's a Spanish.
Oh, look, there's more there. Throw a lure out. There's another one just come up.
He's not. That won't be legal, will it?
Is he legal, you reckon? Nah.
That one might go, I reckon.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's not.
That one's not. That one might be.
How do we do this?
Bro, we're gonna do a couple laps here, I reckon, eh? Get a couple big ones.
Come on, chill out, chill
Do you
out.
Might
wanna?
be legal, eh?
Don't lose any toes.
Go on that esky, if you want. Oh, there's that.
I've sort of got him pinned him. Don't get hooked. Fuck.
What's on there?
No, he's short too. Alright. Oh, he's fucking gone anyway. I know he's right. Follow the bait. 3,
Come on there.
2,
1, 3.
1.
Heavy low. Oh, that's a good one. Oh. Hey. That's a good one.
Do you want this one, Sam?
Yeah, bro, yeah.
Got your GoPro? Get his GoPro.
Where is it? Oh, yeah.
Here. That's alright.
No, grab that one, bro.
Recording?
Yeah, it's already recording.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, don't worry about that one, bro.
He's a good one.
I'll jump on the steer.
Turn the motor off. Oh, don't turn it off.
You mean neutral it?
Need something to drive in there. Need something heavy.
Do you want me just to neutral, or do you
Keep it a neutral, man.
tell me if you need me to go forward or back?
Just go forwards. Oh, it's a cobia.
Oh no!
That'll do.
That'll
You
do.
eating them?
Yeah.
They are so good, man.
It's a big ass cobia, dude.
What the frick?
Still got a bit of go.
Grab the rod properly.
That's why he was flipping around.
Wow,
You see that flipping
yeah.
around? I was like, did he get hit by a shark?
Maybe a big tiger tried to hit it and he came off it.
Ah!
Ah!
I'm glad I passed it on now. That's a solid fish, eh?
Hold it, hold it. He's still got life, but
We did
he's
just.
about to give up there.
I don't know who's gonna give up, me. Kill him. We got lippies.
I try. Yeah, there are some around. Here. Try these ones. Chat. I'll try and help this out. Holy shit.
Holy man.
Try.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Big cobia.
That's a big cobia.
Oh, look at that Kimura hanging off him. Go on, little buddy.
Off you go. Friend's not leaving though. That's a dinosaur, eh?
Yeah. That's a good fish, man. There you go, chat. Who wants to hold it up for chat?
Yeah.
Sam probably should.
Yeah. I'll just get this hook out.
They fucking seem to go ballistic when they're in the boat too. Oh, how's that done?
He's coming home.
Come on, yeah. Holy, what an absolute monster.
Crazy.
Wow. Oh, look at him right here. Look at all that bait right there.
Holy, dude.
Hold it up.
Yeah.
There you go.
Not a bad cobia, right?
That's crazy. Sick.
What a weapon, man. It's a don.
Oh, we haven't had on quick.
Oh!
Oh,
What's following it? Oh, there's a trevally following us. Is he legal?
what is it?
That's not Spanish. He's legal.
Oh, yeah?
There he goes, seen the boat.
He's waking up. Come back here! I want my fish! You're not getting away.
He's a nice one.
Ugh. I'll turn him around. Got him. I'll open my drag. Close it again. You're right or no? Don't get bit.
There it is. Oh, there
Oh.
we go, boys.
Yes!
He's legal.
Holy shit.
We got him. What she said.
Alright.
Flies.
Who's got the pliers?
Where are they? Just there.
Oh, we got one.
Got one in the end.
And a cobia. Have a go at it.
Oh,
You.
there you go, chat.
Nice one.
Got Spanish. Woo! Oh, he's still kicking. Alright. What I gotta do, just cut him.
Just,
Where them lip groups go?
you'll definitely.
Yeah, cool. You got it or?
Yep.
Alright.